welcome back to the JungG channel. We're here with Royal. Say hello.
Hi.
Very good. And Royal, what are we doing right now? We accepted a mission, correct?
Yes, we did.
And what is this mission about?
Now, this mission is we're gonna escape the atmosphere because it's a challenge from the mission control.
Good. And what is the edge of the atmosphere considered in Kerbal Space Program of the planet Kerbin?
70,000. Wait, what?
70,000 meters, which is 70 kilometers.
Oh, 70 kilometers.
And on Earth, what is the edge of space or edge of our atmosphere considered on Earth?
8.
Edge of atmosphere.
80,000.
80,000 meters, I think. We're going to check that atmosphere of Earth. We're going to check it right now on the wiki.
Okay, good.
And it is said to be. Oh, it's not pulling it up. All right, so let's see if we can track. We're gonna go to the NASA.gov website.
Oh, I've never went there, so you're gonna go.
Yep, I'm doing that right now.
I can't go there because my mom. That right now.
That's fine.
I only get to go to thing when I'm with my mom. Really.
Right. And I think we're gonna keep our aircraft simple. Why don't we use the basic Mark 1 command module? Does that sound good to you? Command pod?
Yes, but remember that the simplest rocket? But I think we need a little bigger than that, right? I think you need a little bit bigger.
So our atmosphere goes up to approximately 80 kilometers. There's different layers, so we have the troposphere, which is where we live mostly. Airplanes tend to fly in the stratosphere area.
I need to tell you about it. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna tell you that. I just need to find the page. You can say it right now. You can say what you want to say right now. I just need to find.
Then there's a mesosphere after the stratosphere. So yeah, I'm thinking it's just around 100 kilometers for us.
Well, I just need to find the page that I found that thing. It's in my book. My book has, yeah.
So the troposphere starts at Earth's surface and extends 8 to 14 kilometers
Can I
high.
tell you something?
Yeah.
Troposphere is 7 miles. Stratosphere is 30. Mesosphere is 50. Thermosphere is 440, and exosphere is 6,000. They're all miles.
That's good.
They're all miles.
Well, that's I think it's better said in kilometers, just because most of the world uses that, and science industry uses metric system anyways. So like you said, the troposphere starts around. It extends to 8 to 14 kilometers depending on location, which is 5 to 9 miles. The stratosphere starts just above the troposphere and extends to 50 kilometers, which is 31 miles high. And the mesosphere, which is just about the edge of space, starts just above the stratosphere, and extends to 85 kilometers, which is 53 miles. So yes, the edge of space for us would be around 85 kilometers, which is around 15 kilometers more than Kerbin. And don't forget, Kerbin is a smaller planet.
And also, the troposphere is where airplanes and all of those stuff. And then the stratosphere is where hot balloons. I mean, the hot balloons that carry the weather things. I don't know what those are called. And the mesosphere is where meteors come in. If they pass that layer, they're gonna fall to Earth. If they don't, they're not going to. And the thermosphere is where the International Space Station, and the exosphere is where satellites orbit.
Yes, that's correct. So it looks like we don't have any parts to do that mission. Okay? So here,
So
what
can
we're
we just...
gonna do is we're going to leave. We're not gonna save this because we don't have any engine parts, rocket parts, and
Yeah.
we're going to unlock them in the Research and Development Center.
Okay.
So here we are.
Rocket.
We need a solid fuel booster and
Yeah.
let's see. Yeah, they didn't give us many parts. And a swivel liquid engine sounds good. And a fuel tank. So let's go ahead and research that.
Good.
Yes. And do you want to
And
pay for it? Now this is cost almost 6,000 credits. You sure want to do that? We have 386,000, so we should have enough.
Yeah, we should have enough, I think.
Okay.
It
So
goes
now our
down.
money went down.
Okay.
Saw that?
Yeah, it's okay.
And then we have
Oh, those are
bigger parts. And the thumper solid fuel booster and another fuel tank. Would you like to unlock these as well for 20 research?
Yeah. I think.
Okay.
I think that's all
And
we need. I think.
are you willing to pay for all the parts, which is 8,500?
Do you think you should?
Well, we can't use them if we don't pay for them.
Okay. I think we should. Because the rocket must be big. I don't need a lot. We don't need a lot of things, but we do need some, don't we?
That's correct. And so look, we have more fuel tanks on this level here. So it's level 3, advanced rocketry, a new step ahead of rocket technology. So more fuel tanks, different adapters, another fuel tank. It looks like a Terrier liquid fuel engine, which seems to be a... Yeah, okay. Should we research this one as well? For more options?
I think. Yeah.
All right. So we're going to go ahead and research these two. Research this one,
fine.
research, purchase, and purchase. So look, our money is really going down. So we're 345
And now we need
credits.
to build a rocket to
So,
that up.
so let's go ahead and try to build our rocket now.
Now, yeah, I think we should. Because we don't have a lot of parts.
Yeah,
So
so,
we need to
but
go
now we have more
research.
parts though. But if we can
Yeah.
complete those missions, they can give us money.
Yep. And then we can build more advanced things
That's right.
if we have money.
So let's go to our fuel tanks now.
Oh, yeah, there's a lot of fuel tanks here.
So
right?
what should we use to go to space? Should we use liquid fuel with an oxidizer? Or should we use for example, a solid fuel booster? Do you know what the difference between solid fuel is and a liquid fuel?
Oh, liquid fuel it's liquid. It's kind of like water, but it's not really like it. And one is like a table. It's not like water. It's like
Okay.
3D thing.
So why don't we look up real quick what the difference is between...
Yeah, I don't even know what's the difference, but I just know what's solid and liquid.
What's the difference
Everybody knows that.
between
Right?
solid
and liquid.
and liquid fuel?
Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
and I forgot to tell you, fuel needs oxygen because
All fuel... Yeah, that's right. So that's the thing about liquid fuel on rockets, is there is the actual propellant that burns, and if you look carefully, do you see it says variants available? Well, it says liquid fuel 180 and oxidizer 220.
Ow.
So it actually requires liquid oxygen as well.
Okay. Then how about both? Well, it's a really small rocket, so I don't... What do you think?
We are going to try just a small solid fuel first.
But not too small, so we can't go through the atmosphere.
Well, we gotta learn. So, do you want to do the flea booster for training?
Flea.
We should do some training first, right?
Yeah, we should do some training, and then we can
get something bigger.
We just need, and also we need a parachute, right?
Yeah,
So
I'm
we
trying to
need
get
a
the
parachute.
parachute right now. So, we're gonna get a
There it is.
parachute.
I see
This
it.
one right here, right?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the basic parachute.
Yes. Good. So we got that, and
And how about the pilot of the spaceship?
Oh. Do you want to be the pilot?
Yeah, I still want to.
Okay. There we go. And should we put any fins on
I need
it?
a blue suit.
Yeah, I think I got you the blue suit. See?
Yeah. Oh, yay.
So should we put some stabilizers on it? Fins?
Maybe, yeah.
Just one?
Cause
Or should we put like 2 or 3 maybe?
maybe
Like
2
that?
or 3 would work. Cause
Okay.
yeah, 3 will work. Cause if we do 1, I don't think why is it 3 is fine.
There we
2
go.
was fine.
Is that fine?
But I think 3 is good enough. 3 is good. And let's fly it. Oh, we need
Maybe
to
we
save it
can
first.
get a decoupler on there.
Decoupler? What's that?
Coupling. So a decoupler
Like
allows it to separate.
Yeah, like a separator.
That's too big.
Can we say? Oh, that's too big. We need small. There you go. That's good.
So
And
we need
now
to
we
we need
have
to
to
stage it correctly first. So first we want the engines to turn on. Then we want
Yes.
it to decouple, and then we want the parachute to
The
be
parachute.
last, correct?
Yeah.
Good. All right. And so if we're looking here, we have our thrust, 192 thrust. We have
Good.
0 torque apparently. And our thrust to weight ratio is 7 times. So we have 7 times, or 7.79 times, the amount of thrust required to lift the payload. So that's a lot. So here we don't have
That's a
thrust. So we got plenty of thrust. We just need 1.1 to take off, really. Okay, so is there anything else we should do? Oh, maybe we can add some science stuff to it.
Yeah, we should. I thought we need science.
So
We
let's
should have some science stuff. I was about
payload.
I
There
was
we go.
about to tell you that. I was about to tell you that.
Oh. Let me get the decoupler. I think I deleted the
Lost it?
decoupler on accident. Yeah, I lost it. So where is it? Coupling. There we go. There we go. Okay, so in here we're gonna open this and we're going to add
put
our
some-
science stuff into there, right?
And we're gonna get some science as well, right?
So we just want
1. We just need 1, right?
well we can put 2.
I don't think 2 would work because you're putting them inside it. So I think 1 should work because I think 2 would take
There we
up
go.
2.
See?
There you go. There you go. That's good. But oh yeah, it's less than 30 parts.
Yeah.
It must be, right?
I think so, yes. And before then we're going to add we're going to add a thermostat. So
Thermostat? Okay, yeah, thermostat. 2 or 1?
there we go. I guess we can add
2.
2. We don't have a lot of parts here.
Yeah, we don't have a
And
lot.
then a barometer.
2. You're adding 2.
There we go. That seem okay
That's
to you?
better. Yeah, that seems okay. And now we're gonna close it.
Yeah, but first we gotta go to action group. So let's go to. First, let's name this and
System
save
one.
our vehicle. What's the name of our vehicle?
Test. I mean, science.
Okay. Made by Julius and Royal, right?
Yeah, really.
Okay.
Okay. We're
Now.
gonna get some science and we're gonna launch it. Yeah.
1 space 2 space 3 space
3
4
space.
oh
4.
space enter 5
5.
space. Okay, so the reason I put this is because we need to first save this, and then I'm going to open this one, and I need to see what. So 1 is toggle engines. Well, we can't do that with rocket fuel. We can't. Once it's on, it's on. 2 is toggle
Yeah.
comms. Oh, we need a communication device on it. And 3 is science. And 4 is log science.
Oh, write it down. Write it down.
Yeah, I should write it down.
Write it down. Okay,
So that way we'll remember. You should write it down too, so we remember in the future, okay?
Okay. I need to get a paper.
Yeah, I'm writing it down right now.
I don't have a pen either.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go.
In my book.
So 1 is for toggle engines. Because we want to be the same on all of our vehicles.
Go. Toggle.
Toggle comms.
And
Log science.
engine.
Oh! It's toggle science. Excuse me. Toggle science. Then log science.
Log.
And transmit data. But the thing is, though, last time we couldn't transmit the data because we didn't have enough. We didn't have enough electricity on our vehicle.
Now we just need electricity.
So
Can we add electricity?
I think we'll be able to add electricity because this spaceship that we're making has less requirements, has less parts. There it is, load. So here it is. Doot. So let's add some electricity to it. So we're gonna go down here, and we can add some batteries. There we go. We just added a battery to it.
Yeah, good.
I
You
can
can move the barometers.
Yeah, I'm moving the barometers like that. See that?
Yep, I see it.
And we're gonna add a few more batteries.
Oh, 2 batteries? Do you think that will work? Because it will block something. Oh, there you go.
And these we can move these over.
And then we can make a. And also we can make a satellite that has solar panels. Do we have solar panels? Yay!
We do have solar panels, but we don't want the solar panels getting ripped off, right? Or causing more drag. So right now we're just gonna stay with the batteries that we have.
Yeah, the batteries are fine, right?
Yeah.
The batteries is all we need.
So thank you for watching. This is the JungG Ch Lrn channel. Please stay tuned for the next part.